This is Yvonne from YvonneCarson.com, better known as Art by Vonet. And I'm just sharing what I did yesterday. I brought in another one of my sketches that I did yesterday into Adobe Illustrator. And one of the first things I did was I used what is called the image trace. And then you have to hit expand and ungroup. And what ungrouping does is uh, allow you to click on each individual piece of the sketch or the drawing, and you can add color, patterns, whatever you want to do. And today I'm just going to show you some of the patterns that comes with Illustrator. So I'm in what's called Decorative Legacy, and these are some of the patterns in here, and this is one of them. So I'm just going to quickly show you how easy it is once you ungrouped everything to recolor it or add patterns to it. So I'm just going to randomly choose one. Let's choose this one. And you click on each piece, individual piece. That's what ungrouping does. It separates each piece so you can do what you want to do with it. Let's see. We can color the hair a different color instead of black. Let's go with a very dark brown. And you just click on each piece and you go up here to the color panel that's here, and you click on each piece that you want to change. Now let's change her skin tone. We can change that the same way. We go up here in the color panel and let me see. I'm going to choose this one. And you just, like I said, you click on each piece and you change it to the color tone that you want. See, I mean, let's say this is a little bit darker, so I chose the wrong one. It's the one before it. Here we go. And that's how I color my girls. And sometimes it's not so simple. Sometimes the lining, or I don't know what happens because, I'm teaching myself. So I did the wrong color again. Um, I'm teaching myself, and I know that I do things probably more than likely the long way. So here you have what I have done. I've changed the outfit, I changed the skin tone, and I changed the hair color. Um, I'm not going to change the lip color because it does match the parts of this pattern. So there you have it. This is how I play around in Adobe Illustrator with my sketches. Thanks for watching.